Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 37 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. So you've got two different ways to check the details. You can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will allow you to compare the screen time in particular days of the week. You can tap on a specific day and check the list of apps which you've been using. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example on the settings in my case. And again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can again change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.